Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to update Venmo payment method. First of all you have to do is open your Venmo application. From here, you have to select the option called Me or your profile icon on the bottom right corner. And then you have to select the gear icon or the settings icon on the top right corner. Then you have to select payment methods. Then you have to select or tap on add a bank or card. Then you have multiple options. You can either add your bank account or add in your credit card or debit card or Amex Send, or maybe depending on your region you may see more options or less options. If you want to update your bank account, then you can add a new bank account, or you can also add a credit or debit card. Then select a card option, enter your card number, the expiration date, the security number or CVV or maybe then zip code, and add your payment method. And that's how you can add and update a new payment method on Venmo. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.